You, Mink.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah, you don't even know. Woo! Wake up, let's go.
What do you want to do?
I don't really care. Come on, your camera's annoying me because you're not doing anything.
Look, I'm deleting pictures. I practice smiling in pictures. What do you want to do, Jeff?
Underwear.
Jeff?
I'm flying in Superman underwear.